Everyone, Jake here, and today I'm back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have two Geminijets Boeing 787s. In front of me here we have the Qantas 787 and the Turkish Airlines Boeing 787. Both of these Geminijets, the Turkish was a September 2021 release, and the Qantas was a July 2021 release. Both are fantastic looking models. I've seen a review of the Turkish, and from what I can tell, like, Geminijets has massively improved on the wing flex, and it looks like the Qantas is the same way. There's just that their mold used to be terrible in the sense that it used to have the wings like really flexed up, but honestly, these like models, from what I've seen from other videos, it's on par with NG to an extent. The wings aren't flexed up, the detail's great, so I'm super excited to have these two models. This will be my second Qantas 787, as I have the NG version, but I decided to double it up because they are regulars at LA. I got the Geminijets one. And then Turkish, well, see, that's the thing. Turkish is one of those airlines where it's kind of back and forth between the 787 and the 777 in LA, so why not have both just to be safe? But we're going to go ahead and start with the Qantas, and then we'll go to the Turkish. So I'll move that out the way. Let's get to this Qantas 787. So standard box, actually white box. Geminijets has switches it up sometimes based on the carrier. You know, all this just standard, but white. Got the information and everything right here. Registration for this one is Victor Hotel Zulu November Kilo, so VHZNK. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm super excited to have this model. So see, it looks like, honestly, you could just kind of see those wings look a whole lot better already. They've really seemed to have improved, I guess, listened to people. I don't know if they really did listen or they just chose to do it on their own. Take it out. Looks absolutely fantastic. I did forget to close up the box, so give me a second with that. Yeah, alright. We'll put this nice plastic and everything too, so keep it protected, which is nice. Alrighty. Here we have the model looking absolutely fantastic. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of an NG model. Like, the quality, the look of it, the feel of it. But let's go ahead and take a closer look. So here we have the Qantas 787. And there you can see there, we got the kangaroo there at the front. I'm not sure what exactly that says. It might be the name of the aircraft. I can't read what that says, to be honest. If any of you know, let me know. NK down there on the nose gear, the nose gear door. Kind of looking at it this way. The nose gear is looking alright, not too bad. It looks a little bent, a little crooked, but that's not too bad. Anyway, good detail around the cockpit there in the nose. Got the L1 door with the little One World logo next to it. The updated Qantas titles of this gray and a bit different font. Got the L2 door again with the little One World logo right next to it, looking nice. Got the nice engines here, looking pretty good. They're not too low, they're not bent or crooked. They are hollow inside though, so you can see that there, you can see through. But they look good. Overall, they look good. You got Spirit of Australia. And this is what I mean, the wings looking absolutely fantastic. This is much better, Geminijets. Well done. Looking much better. You can see just how it's not like super flexed and everything. Very nice. Nicely done. So honestly, I can't complain. This mold, if they, I mean, I don't really know what 787s they would make that I would really want to get, but if there's something that I see that would be like good, I would get it, because this mold now is a whole lot better. Anyway, moving along, you got the L3 door there, you got the Dreamliner text, and then you have the registration and Australian flag there, and you have the bulk bin door right there. L4, and then you have the good old kangaroo. But as you can tell, this is the update delivery. It's got that sort of silver bit right here now. I think it looks nice. The titles, the new titles and everything too. It's sleek, it's sharp, looks good. Yeah, you got the kangaroo there on the tail, and you have NK up there, the top. All right, so moving it on to this side, looking pretty good. Got the antennas and everything. You got the aft cargo door there. Just kind of moving along. You got the forward cargo door there. But overall, really nice model, good detail, looks nice, no complaints. Honestly, let's see, let's take a look at the underbelly. Forgive me if you hear music in the background, I'm not sure what's going on, but here you have it. You got the registration there on the wing, got Qantas, the Qantas belly, little Geminijets logo and everything. Some good detail on the bottom here. I think it looks really good. So yeah, anyway, we'll move that to the side. We'll go ahead and we'll pull in the Turkish, so you can kind of see me there in the reflection of the box. But this is the blue box, looking really nice, standard Geminijets. Nothing too fancy. Got the model, got the information. Registration: Tango Charlie Lima Lima Oscar TCLLO. Honestly, a huge shout out to Red River Aviation because I saw his video. I'm pretty sure it was his video of this model, and I was like, damn, that's really, really nice. I'm gonna have to pick it up for myself because I was really skeptical of it. I saw it, I was like, I need a Turkish 787, but do I get a Geminijets version or wait for NG to release one? Or like Aviation 400 with their new mold? Or even just JC Wings, anyone, or even Phoenix, anyone other than Geminijets. But when I saw this model on his channel, like the review, I was like, damn, they really, really improved. So I picked it up, and I can't say, it all looks good. It's all intact. Let's go ahead and start here with the details. Excuse me. Got the cockpit there. Excuse me. Got the little Star Alliance logo, LLO there on the nose gear door. If it'll focus, there we go. Got L1 and some nice little details. Not sure what that is right next to it. But yeah, Turkish Airlines titles, got a little Turkish flag there, L2 door, some good details all along the fuselage. Got the Wi-Fi dome and the antenna there. That's something I noticed. The Qantas didn't actually have a Wi-Fi dome. Maybe that's just how it is in real life. I thought that's interesting. Got the engines looking nice as well. Obviously the hollow engines, just like the Turkish. But the wings looking really, really nice. Not flexed, perfect. That little tip there just curved nicely. Anyway, moving along. You have this nice silver, it's a sort of flower. I do know what it is. I forgot what it is. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember. Anyway, got Dreamliner back there, bulk bin, door, 787-9, the registration, and then you have the sort of logo or like emblem of the bird, which is a wild goose, one of the highest flying birds in the world. I was looking that up. It's interesting. The Turkish shows that. But we'll just kind of take a head-on look there. Alright, so there you have it, and we'll go to this side. And pretty much the same thing, just you got the cargo doors on this side looking really nice and whatnot. So a very, very nice model overall. We'll go ahead and take a look at the underbelly with the nice Turkish Airlines logo and titles on the belly, and a nice gray belly there. So overall looking really, really nice. It does have the registration on the wing, just FYI, on the top and bottom. If it'll focus, there we go. But yeah, very, very nice model, guys. So that's gonna do it for this video. You got the two Qantas 2 Geminijets 787s. You got Qantas and Turkish, looking really, really nice. If you can find them, pick them up. I highly recommend them. Honestly, Geminijets, shout out to you guys for the improvement on the wings and everything. Great detail, good quality control. And the wings looking a whole lot better now that they're not super flexed and just not realistic. But yeah, anyways, guys, stay tuned for more model unboxing videos every Monday, and like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Take care.